Hey y'all, in today's buyer's market, it's really important to have a full-time realtor working with you to help get your property sold, and I'm going to give you a few key points why that is so important. The first point is a real estate professional is in the market every day. They know what's happening locally, in the neighborhood. They can keep you informed of everything that's going on in your area. The second thing is they also have means to be able to search different criteria to help you come up with a competitive price for your home. In today's market, a buyer has a lot to choose from, and if your property is overpriced, it's not even going to get looked at. So there are a lot of factors to consider when pricing your property, and a full-time realtor will be able to help you with that. The third thing is, in today's market, if your property is not marketed, nobody knows it's for sale. 80% of all buyers go to the internet first. I'm able to actually put your property on about a dozen different websites to get you the maximum exposure that you need to get your property out there while people are searching the internet. We'll also use traditional methods, yard signs, flyers, those types of things that in the past have been very successful. So we'll be able to combine the two to get your property the maximum amount of coverage that it can get. The next thing is, once we do get an offer on the house, a sales contract is about 8 pages long, and an experienced, educated professional will be able to help walk you through the sales transaction and deal with the approximately 20 people that we have to deal with through a sales transaction, from appraisers to inspectors, all kinds of different reports. You won't have to worry about not understanding what's going on or what the next step is, because I'll be there with you to help work with you through that process. The last thing is, you can trust using a realtor. We have to adhere by a strict code of ethics for the state. We're governed by the state and our local boards. So if you live in Pensacola or you know somebody that's thinking about moving to this area, you need some more information, please just check out my website at PensacolaRealEstateSales.com, or you can call me at 850-516-6279. Hope to hear from you soon.